Guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you 3 ways how to easily switch between your Instagram profiles. So if you have multiple Instagram profiles on your phone, I'm going to show you 3 easy ways how to switch between them. Now the first way how to switch between profiles, guys, is to ensure that you click on your profile on the lowermost right hand side. Now once you do that, on the uppermost left hand side you have an arrow right beside your username. If you tap on that arrow, you have your profile pop up there, and you can easily switch between the profiles there. Very easy and very simple. Now the second way how to do it, guys, is to simply hold on the button on the lowermost right hand side on the profile there, and then you'll have this pop-up that you can easily switch between the profiles. Very easy and very simple. Now the third way how to do that, guys, is to simply double tap on the profile icon on the lowermost right hand side. 1 2, or let's say two taps. 1 2, and there you go. 1 2, 1 2, and that's how you easily switch between your accounts in Instagram. Very easy and very simple, guys.